Morning, folks. Something strange happened to me today. I got excited about a bicycle bell. We just got these guys in. They're from Guee, and they're a bike bell which is designed to clip onto the inside hood of your road bike or gravel bike. So this thing closes really, really tight, cinches in. That means you can have a really discreet hidden mount for your bell, which is pretty cool. And this is how it looks. So you can kind of hide it on the inside of your hood. Super ergonomic, easy to reach, keeps all the real estate open on your bar, and sounds pretty good too.